Hi guys, this is the opening of my OutCast that YZ125 rider was so nice to get me. It's the OutCast 6S BLX, four-wheel drive, a brushless stunt truck. So I'm going to start by opening it up. It's a very beautiful truck.
I think there's one at the bottom too. There's tape at the bottom.
There's nothing there.
There's nothing?
No, on the table.
No, flip it over. Where it was. How you had it originally. And then just pull the top off. Yeah.
Like this?
No. Now, wait.
Unfold.
Yeah. Now slide the top.
So it comes with a manual and some tools and parts.
What parts does it come with? Oh, you can change the body height. You can change the height of the body?
It comes with the
Yeah.
charging things
It's
that we always
290s.
lose. And some things that you put your little clips through.
Body retainers.
A big metal piece and the wrench thing that you use. Just a whole bunch of things that YZ125 rider knows, but I'm very clueless about.
Left the whole truck out. If you can. You're gonna need scissors to cut this, I think. Oh, no. Well, yeah, for the radio. Wow, look at the size of the tires. They're huge. Wow. You know what? We're going to make it a comparison video as well as an unboxing.
This is the radio, right? The thing, the remote?
Yeah. That's your radio. So it's not far off from the Creighton.
Ooh, look how nice.
Woo! Wow, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was.
The body looks great, but we always have to check the inside.
Of course. Pull.
I don't want to break it. We need pink clips like this.
There's screws on there to keep the body in good shape.
And then, oh, you have to like slide it out. So the inside looks really good. The suspension is good. I'm pretty
But
sure.
what are we going to do to the suspension?
We're gonna put on these because they make it harder to go down.
Awesome.
And I just know that Adam knows that these are really good and that you should change them up.
So there's only a couple of recommended upgrades on these things. They come pretty much bulletproof right out of the box. But what I did to this was I changed the shock weight up at the front to 60. I don't know what stock is, but it was a little too soft for my liking. I left the rear the same weight, but again, it's running Technos all the way around. But The suspension is just perfectly dialed in now. And then also just Velcro the batteries down, but I don't think we'll even need to do that with this because
It's like already.
look at it's got this part here to
There's like 3 different mechanisms.
hold the battery down. Wow, I can't get over how big those tires are. Those are monsters.
Oh, and the cool thing about this
Look at the tiny wheelbase.
is the
Look at
little
it.
wheels. So when you're going, you can go, woo!
And that's got a wheelie bar on the back. Sweet.
And then, what else can I talk about? Oh, this thing is for the heat, right? But they probably know, like the heat.
Yeah, I don't know that. That's just to help cool the motor. Cool. So that's pretty much what it comes with. Just your tools, the tactic radio, which is actually pretty good. And then, yeah, your tools and your XT90. Well, I wanted to talk about something on my crate, and I actually broke a piece. My first breakage on it so far was my pinion gear. If you could see that, I sheared a tooth off. Thought it was my dips, but thank God it wasn't.
Oh, and the best part about this is the metallic red and the black. It looks really good. I just wanted to say that from a girl's point of view, the coloring is on point.
Yes, it is. And then that's going to help.
For the suspension.
Let's see. See, I like the dampening, but it's just a little too soft for my liking.
For the front, don't just bash, blast.
Yeah. The body looks so nice. It looks a lot nicer in person. I've seen a lot of videos online, but when you see it in front of you, it just looks so nice. All right, does that sum up the unboxing?
Yep. Thank you everyone for watching and hope you subscribe and like.